Hi guys, I am Saul. Welcome to my our channel Educations. Today we will discuss about coronavirus. Coronavirus are a large family of viruses. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. This virus is the acute respiratory syndrome related coronavirus COVID-19. In December 2019, the Chinese authorities, the Chinese of doctor notified the world that a virus was spreading through their communities. In the following months, it spread to other countries with cases doubling within days and days. Respiratory syndrome related coronavirus to COVID-19. Most people infected with the virus for 1 to 40 days before developing symptoms. The common symptoms of coronavirus disease COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. The most people, about 80%, recover from the disease without needing special treatment. There are currently no vaccine to prevent coronavirus disease COVID-19. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission. Number 1. To wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds to 30 seconds with soap and water or alcohol based hand rub. Number 2. Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue. Number 3. Close contact 1 meter or 3 feet with people who are unless. Number 4. Stay home and self-isolated from others in the household if you feel unless. Number 5. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth if your hands are not clean. Don't forget like my videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, share me.